guys, welcome back. It's your girl. I am going to do an ACV rinse today. Oh. Okay, so like this is my first time. So I'm going to do one. I've had my hair super deep washed before. I washed my hair for like an hour, and boy, my hair felt really nice and hydrated, and my locks were actually a little fluffy. And so I spent all day, not all day, but I spent like 30 minutes trying to figure out where in the world am I gonna do this at. If I haven't introduced myself, it is your girl. That's Angel, Jetty's finest. Jetty. Okay, you guys, let me stop playing around.
Okay, you deserve the finest, so let's get to this.
I haven't bought like one of those little tubs where you can put your neck goes in, and I'm not like a beautician, so I don't have like the beautician sink. So I was thinking, where in the world will I do this? Like none of my tables and chairs really level out, even my sofa and chairs, my bed, nothing, everything is like this. So I was looking at my kitchen counter and I was like, okay, I think that I can lay my body on the kitchen counter, y'all. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna lay my body on the counter and I'm gonna get this thing started. Okay, so I'm gonna use for this ACV rinse or detox, Loc Detox, I'm going to use baking soda. Okay, usually I would use like not your mother's apple cider vinegar, but I realized that I don't have any. No. But anyways, the show must go on, am I right? So I realized I have a couple different options for apple cider vinegar. I have these two guys. Yeah. Vermont Village apple cider vinegar, raw and organic, always unfiltered and unpasteurized with the mother. That's weird to me. Okay, and then I have White House organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with mother. These are mother's granddaughters. No. So I'm going to probably use these two. I'm going to use these. I'm actually just going to go ahead and get the counter ready to do my thing. Right back. I just realized, like, does anyone actually know how long my locks are? Not really. So I'm actually gonna show you real quick. Okay, let's see what I'm working with. This is what I'm working with, you guys. This is what I'm working with, your girl. They look really good. Like, I don't have any problems with them. I just want to detox them. I haven't actually done this before, and I would like to see how much my locks will like love it, you know. I just want to see if my locks will be so happy with a good detox, you know. I'm just going to do my thing. I'm going to lay on the towel. I just feel like that might be more comfortable for me. To lay on the towel. My sink is kind of low, so I actually have this sitting on a pot. And I'm just gonna make everything here, and I'm just gonna lay up here.
Okay, go ahead and fill whatever you're going to use all the way up to the top. At least leave a little space so you can carry it if you have to carry it to a different area so it doesn't spill. I would advise that you use a cup of baking soda and a cup of apple cider vinegar. When I did this, you guys, I had no idea how much to use, and I just could not decide how much I wanted to put in there, so don't do what I did. Honestly, it didn't cause me any issues by doing this, by putting 5 cups, no, but literally almost a half a bottle of apple cider vinegar in there. It didn't cause me any issues, but I think if you just do maybe a cup or maybe 2 cups, that should be sufficient. You know, you don't have to go crazy like I did. I just wasn't sure what to use, but it worked out okay.
You know, apple cider vinegar is not that expensive. I want you to make sure this thing will work. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Can you see the water? So dark. I'll add some more. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if I'm overkilling it or what.
If you have recommendations on how much you should use or I should use going forward when doing this, let me know. I would love to hear your opinion in the comments below. So we can't just assume that it's going to look another way when you have not seen how it has looked initially.
I'm just saying, this is not my most beautiful angle. I got baking soda all in this thing. Yeah. Can you hear that? It sounds like I have my head in a box of Pop Rocks. It is so weird. It's sizzling. It's sizzling, y'all. It's sizzling, huh?
Okay, once your head is in, make sure you work your head in the water, in the mixture, and you want to leave it on about 10 minutes or until it stops making the fizzle sound. You will notice the fizzling sound once you have made the concoction and your head is in the mixture. And I don't think mine was longer than 10 minutes. I just wanted to briefly tell you to make sure whatever you lay on is comfortable, that you can tolerate staying in this position for 10 whole minutes, and even take some time and work it in a little bit with one of your hands before you're finished, especially if you start to hear the sound. After you are done with your Loc Detox, make sure you take your shampoo and wash your hair with shampoo, whatever it is that you use. I use this keratin shampoo. It's honestly not my favorite, but it is all I have right now. So yeah, I think I got it at Burlington Co. Factory. They have a little section of organic hair products, and I just wanted to give this one a try because it was pretty clean. So just wash your hair thoroughly. I would suggest that you do an extra wash, a little more than you would usually use to wash your hair. And that's because, you know, we use the apple cider vinegar, and as you know, it's acid. So I just want to make sure that I don't still have acid eating away at my hair or my scalp once I'm finished. So I am going to wash my hair really, 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 really well. I'm going to put a lot more into my wash than I usually would. As you can see, I do not play no games when I wash my hair, especially considering that if I leave any of this acid in my hair, it can be detrimental to my lock health. So you guys be serious about your wash as well. You know, take it just as serious because this is supposed to really clean your hair, and you know, we don't want the opposite effect taking place here. So wash it and rinse it out really, really well.
Thank you guys for watching. My locks are like super squeaky clean. I actually loved it. I just did about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, 10 whole minutes. I washed it out with shampoo, as you can see. Afterwards, just to make sure none of the vinegar was in my hair because it is acid. So I don't know if you could tell, but man, my locks feel fantastic. They are so squeaky clean. I don't know if it was that dirty. It might not have been too dirty because I do wash my locks regularly. But anyway, you guys, it's been real. It's your girl. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Jetty. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.